God bless and keep you always. May your wishes all come true.
Sheldon was the one who had this idea to explore the idea of the main character being an MWD, or a military working dog. And once we started taking it in that direction, the story, the family dynamics started to take shape. And our understanding of the respect and importance that are due to these military working dogs started to grow. And we're really excited to be able to make a film that shows that.
May you grow up to be true. May you always know the truth and see the light surrounding you. May you always be courageous, stand upright and be strong, and may you stay forever young, forever young, forever young. May you stay forever young. May God bless and keep you always. May your wishes all come true. May you always do for others, and let others do for you. May you build a ladder to the stars and climb on every rung. May you stay forever young. May you stay